Hi, hello everyone. My name is Ajit and I welcome you all to my channel Skilldouble. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove the grid lines in an Excel worksheet. So let's begin.
If you see in the before and after sheet, there's some difference, right? The way this data looks, the table as well as the chart, in the after sheet, it looks better. Since there is no grid lines, the table as well as the chart have good definition and it looks better. And if you send the data like this, people are going to get impressed. So how to remove the grid lines? You will see you have to go to view over here, click on it, and then you have to unselect grid lines. Once you do that, you will find all the grid lines in this sheet is gone. So how was the video, guys? If you liked the video, then please click on that like button. Also show your support by sharing and subscribing my channel. If you have anything to comment, please do feel free to comment in the comment box. I will come up with such informative video. So till then, take care and bye for now.